Namaskar. These days, especially in our urban homes, dinner tends to be the saltiest meal of the day. A little extra pickle, papad, chaats, evening snacks like mixture or chips, all harmless in appearance, but they load your body with sodium, that too in late evening. When salt goes in at night, your body has to pull in extra water to handle it. This disturbs the balance of fluids and puts pressure on your kidney. Many people do not realize, but research shows that reducing salt intake can bring down systolic blood pressure by 4 to 5 millimeters of mercury in just few weeks. So today let us understand in detail. Normally after sunset, your body begins its natural cooling and repair cycle. Heart rate slows down, digestion becomes gentler, and kidneys are supposed to work in a lighter mode. But when we add salt just before sleeping, the body shifts into correction mode instead of rest mode. This is why some people wake up at night feeling unusually thirsty. Some wake up with slightly raised heartbeats. Some wake up puffy, especially around the eyes and face. Even doctors now say that late evening sodium can disrupt something called nocturnal dip in and natural drop in blood pressure at night. When that drop doesn't happen, the heart doesn't get its rest which it deserves. You can see how such nighttime habit slowly build long-term strain. So what can we do? A very simple habit. Cut salt after 7 p.m. When one does this, I have observed that such people sleep deeper, they have less thirst, take fewer bathroom breaks, and have a calm heartbeat. They wake up lighter with less bloating and less puffiness. Their digestion improves. Low salt dinner gets processed smoothly. BP stays steadier. Those with borderline BP feel calmer in the morning. According to dietary studies, even 30% reduction in evening sodium begins to show benefits for water balance and morning energy within a few days. I recommend that you follow this practice for 21 days. Cut salt after 7 p.m. for continuous 21 days and observe your sleep quality, digestion, morning freshness and blood pressure over time. You will notice a real difference. Now let me share a few practical tips to help you do this easily and effectively. After 7 p.m., reduce or skip added salt in sabzis or dal. Keep dinner simple. Khichdi, vegetable soups like rotis with vegetable. Replace flavor with lemon, jeera, hing, pepper, dhania or curry leaves. Avoid papad, pickles, pakoras, chips and chutneys at night. Finish dinner between 7 to 8 p.m. Do this for 7 days and feel the difference yourself. But there are also few things to keep in mind. Those with low BP should reduce salt slowly, not suddenly. Seniors must drink enough water during the day, otherwise low salt at night may cause weakness. Do not skip salt entirely. Your daytime meal should be balanced. Avoid replacing salt-heavy items with sugar-heavy items. That becomes another habit. Now, salt reduction is just one part of the picture. For truly restful night, have warm water between 6 to 7 p.m. to satisfy body's fluid needs. Eat your last meal while sitting calmly without mobile or television. Add a short walk after dinner. Walk for even 10 minutes help in digestion. Do 2 simple practices. Yogendra Vajrasan for 3 minutes after dinner. Take 5 slow deep breaths before sleep. Keep lights dim in the last 1 hour of the day. Let your body naturally cool down. Remember what we eat and what we think before bedtime. That shapes the quality of the sleep. Cutting salt after 7 p.m. is a way of respecting your body's natural rhythm. It helps your kidneys rest and your heart relaxed. Such habits slowly bring us closer to a more natural way of living. Namaskar.